Ever wonder how much your diet can impact your heart health? Well, let's dive into that. Our diet, the foods we consume on a daily basis, plays a pivotal role in maintaining our overall health. But did you know it has a particularly significant impact on our heart health? That's right. What we eat can determine the health of our heart to a great extent. Incorporating heart-healthy foods in our diet is not just an option, it's a necessity. Among these foods, vegetables take a leading role. They are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber that support heart health. But not all veggies are created equal. Some are superstars when it comes to heart health. In this video, we're going to explore some of these superstars. 5 specific vegetables that can boost heart health like no other. So buckle up for a veggie-packed journey. Prepare to discover 5 vegetables that could be game changers for your heart health. First on our list, the mighty spinach. This green leafy powerhouse is more than just a staple in your salad or a topping on your pizza. It's packed with a multitude of nutrients that are essential for maintaining heart health. Now let's talk about why spinach is so remarkable. 2 key components in spinach are potassium and fiber. These 2 nutrients are often heralded as heart champions. But why is that? Potassium, for starters, plays a critical role in maintaining heart function. It helps regulate your heartbeat and ensures your muscles work properly, including the most important muscle in your body, your heart. High potassium intake is associated with a 20% decreased risk of dying from a variety of causes, heart disease included. Spinach is an excellent source of this vital nutrient, with 1 cup of raw spinach providing almost 160 milligrams of potassium. Then there's fiber. Fiber is like your body's natural broom, sweeping away excess cholesterol from your arteries. High cholesterol levels can lead to plaque buildup, which narrows your arteries and increases your risk of heart attack and stroke. By consuming high-fiber foods like spinach, you can help decrease your cholesterol levels, reducing your overall risk. But that's not all. Spinach is also rich in nitrates, which can help to manage blood pressure by improving the function of the cells lining the blood vessels. High blood pressure is a risk factor for heart disease, so anything that keeps it in check is a win for your heart. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to add a healthy serving of spinach. Whether it's in a salad, a smoothie, or a side dish, this versatile vegetable can do wonders for your heart health. In conclusion, spinach is not just a leafy green vegetable. It's a heart-healthy powerhouse, packed with vital nutrients that can help protect your heart and reduce your risk of heart disease. As you can see, Popeye was onto something. Spinach is a heart-healthy superstar. Next up, the tree-like wonder, broccoli. This humble green veggie, often seen in your salad or as a side dish, is a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly contribute to your heart health. Let's dive a little deeper into the world of broccoli. Hidden within its green florets is a rich array of nutrients that your body will thank you for. It's packed with vitamins K, C, and A, along with a good amount of folate. But what makes broccoli a star in our heart-healthy list are 2 things: fiber and antioxidants. Fiber, as we know, is a crucial part of our diet. It aids digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and yes, it's fantastic for our heart. The soluble fiber in broccoli binds with the cholesterol in your body, making it easier to be flushed out. This process, in turn, helps reduce the overall cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, broccoli is a strong contender in the antioxidant arena. It's filled with flavonoids, carotenoids, and sulforaphane, which are all potent antioxidants. They help combat inflammation, a leading cause of heart disease, by neutralizing harmful free radicals in our body. Moreover, sulforaphane, a sulfur-containing compound found in broccoli, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, and it's being studied for its potential to protect against various diseases, including heart disease. But wait, there's more. Broccoli also contains lutein, another antioxidant that is known for its heart protective properties. Studies have shown that people with higher levels of lutein have a lower risk of coronary heart disease. So, how can you add more broccoli to your diet? Well, it's pretty versatile. You can steam it, roast it, stir-fry it, or even enjoy it raw in salads. And remember, while cooking can reduce some of its nutrient content, the heart-healthy benefits of broccoli remain. In essence, broccoli is not just another green vegetable. It's a wonder food that's armed with nutrients to protect your heart. Don't underestimate the power of broccoli. It's truly a heart champion. Moving on to a sweet treat for your heart, sweet potatoes. This humble tuber with its vibrant orange hue is not just a feast for the eyes but also a powerhouse of nutrients that your heart will thank you for. Sweet potatoes are packed with a wealth of heart-healthy benefits. One of the key nutrients in sweet potatoes is dietary fiber, A medium-sized sweet potato contains about 4 grams of fiber. Why is fiber crucial for heart health, you ask? Well, dietary fiber can help lower bad cholesterol levels in your blood and reduce your risk of heart disease. It acts like a sponge in your digestive system, soaking up cholesterol and escorting it out of your body. And guess what? A higher fiber diet is linked with a lower risk of developing heart disease. So by including sweet potatoes in your diet, you're giving your heart a fiber boost. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are also high in potassium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy blood pressure. Potassium helps balance out the negative effects of salt and assists in controlling blood pressure, which is crucial for heart health. In fact, getting enough potassium can help relax blood vessel walls, which can lower blood pressure. Moreover, sweet potatoes are a low-fat food, meaning they can be a good part of a heart-healthy diet. And let's not forget that they're delicious. Whether you roast them, bake them, or add them to your favorite stew, sweet potatoes can be a delightful addition to your meals. In a nutshell, the sweet potato is a heart-friendly vegetable that's high in fiber and potassium and low in fat. So if you're looking for a tasty way to keep your heart in check, sweet potatoes may just be the answer. Remember, a heart-healthy diet doesn't have to be bland or boring. You can enjoy delicious foods like sweet potatoes and still do a world of good for your heart. Sweet potatoes, a sweet deal for your heart indeed. Adding a splash of color to our list, red bell peppers. Bright, inviting, and packed with a punch of flavor and health benefits, these peppers are more than just eye-catching additions to your meals. Let's dig a little deeper into the goodness of red bell peppers. Nestled within the vibrant red skin of these peppers is an abundance of vitamin C. In fact, a single red bell pepper contains more than twice the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. This potent vitamin is a superhero when it comes to heart health. Not only does it play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our blood vessels, but it also aids in the absorption of certain nutrients, and even helps produce collagen, which is essential for the repair and growth of tissues in our body. But the goodness doesn't stop at vitamin C. Red bell peppers are also high in antioxidants, particularly carotenoids, the compounds that give them their vivid red color. These antioxidants are warriors in the fight against free radicals, harmful molecules that can cause oxidative stress in our body. And it's this oxidative stress that can lead to a number of health problems, including heart disease. By incorporating red bell peppers into your diet, you're essentially equipping your body with a natural defense system. The vitamin C and antioxidants work in tandem to reduce oxidative stress, combat inflammation, and lower the risk of heart disease. They're like your body's own little team of superheroes, tirelessly working to protect your heart. And the best part? Red bell peppers are incredibly versatile. Whether you like them raw in salads, roasted in the oven, or sautéed in a stir-fry, they're an easy and delicious way to boost your heart health. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't just pass by these vibrant veggies. Grab a handful of red bell peppers and give your heart the care it deserves. Red bell peppers, vibrant in color and equally vibrant for your heart health. Last but certainly not least, we have carrots. Carrots, those vibrant, crunchy powerhouses of nutrition, are much more than a simple side dish or salad addition. They're packed full of beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that does wonders for your body. This nutrient, which gives carrots their signature orange hue, is a potent antioxidant that fights off harmful free radicals in your body, reducing your risk of heart disease. But the benefits don't stop there. Carrots are also a fantastic source of dietary fiber, a nutrient that's crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Fiber aids in reducing your body's cholesterol levels by binding with bile acids in your digestive system, which your body then eliminates. Lower cholesterol levels mean less plaque buildup in your arteries, and subsequently, a lower risk of heart disease. So next time you're at the market, don't overlook these humble root vegetables. Carrots, not just for vision, but a clear choice for heart health too.